Most people reach for a bulky angle grinder when they need to clean up a weld or smooth out a tight corner, but that usually ends in a mess of oversanding and frustration. This little cordless file sander from Seesii is a completely different story. It's designed for those moments where you need to get into a cramped spot without taking half the material off the surrounding area. The first thing that hits you is the balance. It's got a bit of weight to it, which actually helps keep the belt planted on the surface, but it doesn't feel like a brick in your hand. The pivoting arm is the real star here. Being able to rotate that head a full 100 degrees means you aren't twisting your wrist into awkward shapes just to hit a curved edge or a hidden seam. It's one of those features that sounds like a gimmick until you're actually using it, and then you wonder how you managed without it. Now the motor is brushless, which is great for longevity, but what you'll notice more is the speed control. Having 6 settings is a lifesaver because you can dial it way down for delicate plastic work or crank it up when you're chewing through rusted metal. It's not the quietest tool in the shop, but it's consistent. The battery life is surprisingly solid too. That 4 power pack keeps the motor spinning for a good long while, so you aren't constantly swapping batteries mid-project. Changing the belts is a breeze, since you don't need to hunt for a hex key or a screwdriver, which is a huge plus when you're in the middle of a workflow. They even throw in 16 belts right out of the box, covering everything from rough material removal to fine polishing. If there's a downside, it's that the dust collection port can be a little finicky depending on the vacuum hose you're using, and it definitely doesn't catch every single speck of debris. You'll still want your safety glasses on. Also, while the dual arm setup is a nice touch for versatility, swapping them out takes a minute or two, so it's not exactly an instant transition. Still, for anyone doing custom fabrication, furniture restoration, or just general metal cleanup, this thing is a surprisingly capable little workhorse. It's not going to replace a massive stationary belt sander, but for the detail work that actually defines the quality of a project, it's a pretty smart addition to the kit. It's one of those tools that just makes the tedious parts of a job go by a whole lot faster.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.